Hello everyone. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can check your BVN using the Firstbank mobile app or some other methods. So first, let's talk about the most common way, which is using the Firstbank mobile app, also called First Mobile. So this is the app right here, and you can get this app on Google Play and App Store. You can also find it on App Gallery as well. So first, you need to download this app and log in with your username and password. If it is your first time, you'll need to register. Now, after logging in, your BVN will be displayed right in your dashboard. So it's very easy, no need to look for it. You can find that 11-digit BVN on the dashboard uh, once you log in. Now, if you don't have access to the app, no worries, you can use this USSD code star 565 star 0 hash, and this is the code for checking your BVN. And you can also get this code via SMS if you just dial this code. Anyway, you can also check your BVN through First Online, and for that you have to log into your First Bank account, click on online banking, and then log in using your ID and password. And once you are in, the BVN will be displayed right on the dashboard as well. So and that's it. So whether you use the app online or use the USSD code, the process of getting your BVN is very easy. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.